Hi, welcome back to the EaseUS channel. Are you having trouble with the OBS encoding overloaded error and need some solutions? You've come to the right place. In this post, I'll walk you through several fixes to help you tackle the high encoding warning in OBS. Let's get your recordings back on track. Typically, the output resolution significantly impacts your CPU usage. Higher resolutions require more CPU power to encode the game. So let's modify it and see if your computer runs smoother. Let's get your OBS settings dialed in for perfect recordings. Here's a quick and easy guide to fine-tune your setup by adjusting your resolution. Tap on Settings, Video, Output, Scaled Resolution. From the drop-down menu, choose your preferred screen recording resolution. Want to get directly to the settings screen? Use a shortcut, press Shift plus Command plus 5 to bring up the screen recording options. Your target is to pick a lower resolution. If the highest resolution gives you a headache, you should aim for a smaller file size and select a lower resolution. Once the desired resolution is selected, you just have to hit Apply to save your settings and check if the new recording is lag-free. Pick frame rate is like the heartbeat of your screen recordings. It controls how many frames per second are captured, and it can seriously impact your CPU usage. More frames mean more strain on your computer. So, let's tweak things to make your recording process smoother and easier on your system. Ready to smooth out your recordings? Let's tweak your settings for a smoother ride. Find the Settings button. This is where the magic happens. On the left panel, click Video. You'll see a list of options. Look for Common FPS values. Choose a lower frame rate to ease the load on your CPU. This will help banish lag and keep things running smoothly. And there you go. You're all set for hassle-free, high-quality recordings. Adjust the encoder preset detailed instruction step by step. Opting for a faster encoder preset can ease the burden on your CPU and help prevent annoying errors like OBS encoding overloaded. The default encoder is X264, but you can switch it up in the Settings tab to boost performance and keep things running smoothly. Click Settings Output on the main interface. Find the encoder preset you want and change the original one to super fast or ultra fast. You may try also to close additional applications. If you run many programs on your computer at the same time, it may be the main cause of the issue. Let's tackle that pesky encoding issue head-on. Here's how to free up some resources. Try by opening Task Manager. Click the Win icon on your computer and type Task Manager into the search box. Hit Enter to open it up. Now find and disable programs you don't need. Scroll through the list to spot the programs that might be hogging resources. Right-click on them and select End Task to close them out. Once you've shut down those programs, see if the encoding overloaded issue has vanished. And that's it. You've just made your system leaner and more efficient for smoother recordings. While processing, the CPU is guided by the principle of priorities. If the OBS is set as a low-priority task by default, it will lack the processing power to perform the encoding. Open the Task Manager window and find OBS processing on the list. Right-click on it to select the Set Priority option. Next, click Above Normal from the drop-down list. Most time, the OBS encoding overload issue appears because of the less available storage space on your disk. Launch File Explorer. Now select the drive and right-click on it, then choose Properties. You just need to click the General tab and choose the Disk Cleanup option and start emptying your hard drive. If the above solutions don't work, you might need to check your hardware. Some CPUs are not powerful enough to run certain programs smoothly. Upgrading your hardware can improve your recording and streaming experience. After watching this video, you should be able to tackle the OBS encoding overload issue. If you're still running into problems, you might want to give EaseUS Rec Experts a try for your screen recording needs. It's a great alternative that could make your recording experience smoother and hassle-free. Please share, like, and hit that bell icon. We hope to see you in our next video.